Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recharge your Amazon Prime Video, so let's get right into it. Now, recharging your Amazon Prime is basically as easy as just setting up a payment plan, and it is very easy to do. All you have to do is add your credit card information or any payment information which you might want to use, any method you might want to use, and then on a monthly basis it should be renewed, unless you get an annual plan, in which case it will be renewed yearly. Now, if I go into my profile and I go into account and settings, as you can see, I have my subscription information here, and as you can see, I have a MasterCard payment system set up. You can also go into manage your wallet or set up a different payment method if you want, if you already have a membership. If not, you'll have a button over here which says well, get a membership or pay for a membership. I'm not sure what exactly it says since I already have one, but you should be able to click the button here and then set up a payment method, choose a plan, and then on a monthly basis it will be recharged. If you don't have a payment method and you subscribe for one time only, you will have to set one up if you want to recharge it, but there is no special process you need to go for recharging it manually. It'll just automatically renew every month or at the end of every payment cycle. As you can see, the next charge for me is July 20th, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.